Welcome back to our page, everybody. Shout out to all of our fellow customizers watching our videos, all of our fans who enjoy watching custom shoes being made but don't even care to do a custom themselves, anybody who's a fan of DCF for a long time. We really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you guys for the support with the YouTube page. It's been growing a ton ever since we really started to pick it up a few months back. And today we kind of just wanted to do a little bit of a different style of video, not really a tutorial, but we're just going to kind of give a review of a custom that we just wrapped up. If you are interested in learning just about anything when it comes to custom sneakers, we've been putting out a ton of tutorials over the past few months. Every other Tuesday we put out a 2-minute Tuesday video where we cover a frequently asked topic in under 2 minutes, and believe me, it's something that you guys will definitely be able to take away from if you are interested in learning about custom sneakers. Make sure you're subscribed to the page. But for today's video, let's go ahead and talk about this Gatorade Jordan XI. So Jordan Brand and Gatorade go a long way back, all the way back to Mike's playing days, as he was a Gatorade sponsored athlete, and Gatorade had some of the coolest Jordan commercials that I can remember from being a kid.
Like Mike, if I could be like Mike.
Growing up in Chicago, I'm obviously a huge Bulls fan. I was a very young kid when MJ was around winning all the titles. I was born in '92 when he was winning the second one, but I still remember all the Gatorade commercials, the I want to be like Mike slogans, and all that fun stuff. So when Gatorade and Jordan finally collabed, it was kind of a collab that I think a lot of people who really collected Jordans were waiting to happen for all these years, and we finally got it at the end of 17, early 18 with some of the other releases. 2 pairs of Jordan 6s, 4 colorways of the Jordan 1. It was a really cool release. Obviously they went with a really colorful, kind of color palette for all the shoes. The 4 Jordan 1s decked out with the Gatorade colors. The Jordan 6s went with more of the green and orange, obviously because the Florida Gators and the history that they have with the college and Gatorade. So that was really cool, and what our client wanted was a Jordan 11. If anybody's a real Jordan head, there was definitely some rumors about a potential Jordan 11 Gatorade release, so our client wanted us to go ahead and bring that to life. So this was one of those situations where for the most part our client kind of gave us creative freedom, but there was just a few things that he told us he definitely wanted included. One of those things was an MJ Vector portrait. We thought it kind of had this 90s feel to it. We wanted to go with the orange and green colorway. We were going to be doing that on a pair of these Concord 11s with the white mesh and leather upper, so it was the perfect base to deck this out with. We also definitely wanted to include some of the Gatorade logos, so we thought the black G would really help tie in that patent leather. And then there was a really cool Mike Gatorade logo that dropped with some of the merch when all the actual Gatorade Jordans released, so we thought that would be really cool to include on the inside also. All along we knew we were going to do an orange upper on these, but I always have to kind of add my own twist and spin, so I kind of wanted to create like a little bit of flowy, liquidy, kind of bubble texture on the upper to have that liquid Gatorade look. We dropped some green and orange splatter on the white midsole, and then we topped these off with a nice pearlescent green Jumpman, which really just pops right off of this orange upper. Here they are, all wrapped up, our Gatorade Jordan 11s, guys. Let us know what you think about this orange or green colorway, if you're feeling it, if you guys would have liked to see a Jordan 11 release with the Gatorade pack. There was definitely a time design-wise where we thought about including all the colorways from the Jordan 1 on these, the blue, purple, orange, yellow. That definitely would have been quite a challenge, but it would have been really cool for sure also. But I really like how this orange and green came out. We got the Mike logo here on the inside. I love how that logo came out when they dropped that on some of the merch. We got the G's on the back. That's not really a spot you see logos too often on Jordan 11, so that's a really cool touch. You guys can see this pearlescent green Jumpman just pops right off. We got that on the tongue tag too with the white laces, so these little details are what really makes a custom, guys. We got the orange and green splatter on the midsole. So like we said, guys, just give us your feedback on these. We would love to hear what you guys think about them. Alright guys, that's a wrap on today's video. Thank you for joining us. You guys could have been doing anything, but you decided to spend a little bit of time with us, so we really appreciate that. Like we mentioned, please give us some of your feedback on these Jordan 11s, what you guys thought about them. Let us know if you guys are kind of feeling this style of video, if you'd like to just see some more reviews of the customs that we're completing for our clients. This was kind of cool. We haven't done something like this, just kind of going over all the details, all the little things that we do that we believe really help set us apart And you know, that's kind of why clients come to us. We do all these little steps that go a long way in creating a really cool, unique custom. You know, our slogan here at DCF is every shoe has a soul, and all the little details that we talked about today are what really go that long way in creating that and why we believe in that. So thank you guys for joining us, and we will see you guys in the next video.